Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. Today we discuss about Arduino. What is Arduino, what is its use and everything. So to do anything with Arduino Uno, we have to know the basic things of the circuit. So first of all, this one, this is Atmega 328 IC. Okay, this is the RAM ROM of the Arduino. Everything this is, and then here it is the USB plug. You can connect your laptop with the Arduino Uno by this connector. Okay. Now this is the battery connector of your Arduino board. Here you can connect 9 to 12 volt battery and give the power of to your Arduino board. You can also connect your batteries here. This is 3 volt battery supply. This is 5 volt, and these two are grounds. Okay. Now this part is used to give any analog input to the Arduino. Here this is A0 to A5, all are analog pin. Now here in the right side you can see all the digital pins are here. There are 13 digital pins in Arduino Uno. These are the output pins of the Arduino. Here we can get many outputs from these 13 digital pins. Now here it is the another microcontroller of Arduino. Its name is Atmega 162UIC. Okay. Now at the corner you can get the reset button of the Arduino. Okay, so you can reset your Arduino board by this button. You can reset your program by this button also. Now here in this corner you can get the two voltage regulator here. So these two voltage regulator protects your IC this Atmega 328 from any damage. Okay, so these are the basic things of the Arduino. You can buy a Arduino board from online. So you can type amazon.in. So this. So now you can type Arduino Uno, this board. So you can see here, these all are the Arduinos. You can get Arduino Uno in a low price here. Okay. If you want to buy Arduino Mega here, you can type Arduino Mega in this way and search. So this is Arduino Mega board. Okay. And then another type, that is Arduino Nano. So you can see friends, you can get all types of Arduino here at a very low price. Okay, you can get all the links in the description. Okay, so you buy the Arduino and you know all the basic things about Arduino, but you can't do anything until you know the code. To make it easy, Arduino have a software called Arduino IDE. For this you have to go to the Chrome and type arduino.cc. Here it is the website, and then go to the software area and click on downloads. Now go to here, and here Windows installer for Windows XP and up. Click here, and then click just download. And you can see here our download is started. So you have to wait. So this, you have to wait until the download is finished. After finishing the download, you have to install it in your PC. I already installed it. You can see here. So the page is open. So here you have to go to the file, and here you can get several types of examples. Here you can see these all are examples. Okay, so just click here and you can get many examples like this. So in the sketch area you can get libraries, many libraries here, and then in the tool section you can get serial monitor, serial plotter and everything. Always remember friends, you have to select the type of your Arduino here. What is your Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega or Arduino Nano, everything. And then you have to choose the port here. Here you have to select the port. What is your type of Arduino? It is very simple and easy. You can go to the file and click on example. Here this is the basic, and then you can choose anything that is blink here. So here you can get the code of the blink. Here this is the structure and the instruction. Okay, what is the pin, what is the analog pin, here all the instructions are given, and here in the bottom section you can get the codes, all the things. Okay, so it is very easy friends, you can do it, and then you have to verify the code it is right or not. Here after verifying you have to upload the code to your Arduino. Okay, so friends, I will suggest you read all the examples carefully, and from there you can know easily about the Arduino software, that is Arduino IDE.